Muhammad Akram Shumon, and she is my wife, Shima Akhtar. We start our journey to take a IVF from Apollo Fertility, Chennai, since I think 2019. Yeah,
19, yeah.
yeah, 2019. Now it's 2004. After a pandemic, we start our treatment again, and our first transplant is failed. Then we again try our second transplant. Then we'll success. Thanks to Ma'am Rameshri Ma'am and all of the staff of Apollo Fertility. They all are so much helpful to begin our parenthood success. Thank you.